Hi Rider Pro, the legend of German engineering is back. After decades of silence, the name Zündapp roars again. And this time, it brings back a piece of history. Reborn for the modern era, meet the 2025 Zündapp K500, a timeless masterpiece redesigned for the roads of today, a glorious heritage. To understand the 2025 Zündapp K500, you must travel back to 1933, when the original K500 was born. It was one of the most advanced motorcycles of its time, featuring a 500cc horizontally opposed twin engine, shaft drive, and unmatched durability. It wasn't just a bike, it was a mechanical statement of German precision. Now, in 2025, Zündapp revives that same DNA, with a perfect balance of retro design and futuristic innovation. Engine and performance. The 2025 K500 packs a 500cc liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine, tuned for linear torque and everyday usability. It delivers around 48 horsepower and 45 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and modern fuel injection. The ride feels smooth yet raw, a perfect tribute to the mechanical feel of old Zündapp's while keeping the refinement of modern bikes. Design and styling. Zündapp didn't just make a motorcycle, they sculpted nostalgia into metal. The retro fuel tank, the twin exhaust pipes, and the round LED headlamp are a respectful nod to the 1930s design. Every curve tells a story, cut to shots of the tank badge, polished side panels and instrument cluster lighting up. But look closer, and you'll see modern touches everywhere. A digital analog cluster, ABS braking, and LED lighting, all around blend seamlessly with the old school charm. The frame is lightweight yet rigid, giving stability and comfort, perfect for both urban streets and open highways. Tech and features. Classic soul, modern brain. The 2025 K500 includes ride-by-wire throttle, 2 riding modes, Bluetooth connectivity, and even USB-C fast charging. It's the kind of modernization that feels natural and it doesn't overpower the bike's simplicity, it enhances it. Ride experience. Once you start the engine, you hear a deep throaty rumble, not artificial, but authentically tuned to remind you of Zündapp's past. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and comfortable seat make long rides effortless. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks at the front and twin shocks at the rear, tuned for comfort and stability. It's not about top speed, and it's about pure mechanical joy. Price and availability. The 2025 K500 is expected to launch in Europe and select Asian markets, priced around $7,500 USD, approximately $6,800. 3 color options will be available: Classic Silver, Matte Black, and Forest Green Retro. Edition display. The 3 variants, rotating on screen, each comes with the signature Zündapp crest, hand-finished detailing, and a 2-year global warranty. Final verdict: the return of a legend. The 2025 Zündapp K500 isn't trying to compete with hyperbikes or electric revolutions. It's something rarer, a soulful rebirth.